Hi guys, Grant from BeyondBeaver.com, where I teach you how to build websites ridiculously fast. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to set up a custom 404 error page using Beaver Builder, the page builder for WordPress. Now, specifically, I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to use the Beaver Builder theme, but you can apply the same logic for any other theme. And you'll understand why as we go through this tutorial. So, what do I mean by a 404 error page? If somebody goes to your website and lands on a page that doesn't exist on your website, they will see what's called the 404 error page. Now, I'm just going to type in a page that I know that doesn't exist on my website. So I'll just type in hello, because I know there's no page on my website that's called hello. And you'll see this is the Beaver Builder theme, how it displays it by default. And it says, sorry, that page does not seem to exist with a search bar to start searching for content within the website. But this is a 404 error page. Now, with the Beaver Builder theme and a lot of other themes out there, you can't actually edit the 404 page using any page builders or from the back end under, dashboard pages. You can't edit it from there. And the reason that is because it's a WordPress template file in your theme. So what do I mean by that? Let's jump in. So using your FTP client, I'm going to use cPanel here. Log into your theme directory. Go to where your website's installed and go to wp-content themes. Now I'm just going to jump in through my cPanel and I'll pause the video right now. Okay, so I'm in my themes folder in my active WordPress install, and you can see this is a Beaver Builder parent theme, so bb-theme, and this is what I call my child theme, ODW. So if we go into the child theme, we know that WordPress uses files within our child theme instead or in priority of the ones in our parent theme. And just to quickly run through that in case you guys don't understand what I mean by that, see how there's a single .php file in our child theme? If we go upper level and go into our parent theme, there's actually a single .php file in our parent theme. So we have one both in our child theme and in the Beaver Builder parent theme. When WordPress initiates, it checks for that file in our child theme, and if it exists, it uses that one. If it's not in there, then it goes into the parent theme. So because it does exist in our child theme, it doesn't use the one in here. Why does that make a difference? If we go into our Beaver Builder parent theme, you'll see there's actually a file in here called 404.php. So when a page isn't found, WordPress, this is a default WordPress rule in the actual core of WordPress. It says if that page isn't found, look in the themes and plugins of that WordPress install for a 404.php file. It's responsible for just the 404 error page. So there's one in the Beaver Builder parent theme, and if we go up into our child theme, there isn't one in there. So we know that because there isn't one in our child theme, it's actually using the one in our parent theme. Now let's take what we just learned and use that logic, okay? We know it checks our child theme first, and if it's not there, it goes to our parent theme. So let's copy this 404.php file from our parent theme into our child theme, because then it will use that one in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click and I'm going to go copy, and I'm going to copy this 404.php file from the bb-theme, so the parent theme, into the ODW folder, which is our child theme folder. So let's copy that file, and we'll go back up to our themes folder, and then let's click into our child theme. And you can see now the 404 file is being copied into there, which means that if we refresh our page and look for the hello page, which doesn't exist, we're going to reload the 404 error page, except this time it's using the file in our child theme. If you ever want to test whether a file is being used in your parent or child theme, because this is in our child theme, let's just edit it. So again, I'm editing this in Control Panel. So I'm editing the 404.php file in my child theme. So sorry, this page does not seem to exist, which is this text here. Let's just go ahead and change that. Hello, and let's click Save Changes, go back, refresh our page, and that's changed to hello. So we know it is actually using this 404.php file in our child theme. Okay, great. We have it working. The logic's all set up. But, it's quite a bland page, and you probably want to be able to edit this like every other page in your website by using Beaver Builder. To do that, I'll show you. It's a very, very simple process. Okay, so step 1 in this process is to create the actual page that we want to show on our 404 error page. So to do that, let's go back to our WordPress dashboard, and we're going to create a Beaver Builder template. So you can see over on the left-hand menu in our dashboard, it says templates. If you don't see that, just come onto settings and then page builder to go to the Beaver Builder page builder settings. And then here under templates, if you click on templates, enable templates admin. So when that's checked, click save templates, and then you'll see this new item over here. So let's click on all templates over here. Add new. So we're adding a new template, and let's just call it 404 error page. And let's click publish. Created our template. So let's go ahead and launch Beaver Builder by clicking launch page builder. And this will initiate Beaver Builder editing for this new 404 error page. And now the reason that you're doing this whole process is that you want to build your 404 page with Beaver Builder. So let's just go ahead, just create the page. I'm just going to do it really quickly. Obviously, you guys will do a much better design than what I do. So I'm just going to do a 2-column row. And I might put, a heading, some text. In terms of what to put on the page, do some research. There's a few things that will really, really benefit you to put on there. Some things that I like to put on the page, a search bar makes sense. Someone's coming here, they're not finding something, so add another search. So yeah, a search bar does make sense if you don't have one in your header. Something else that I think makes a lot of sense is a contact form. So for instance, if say someone's searching for something that they think might be on your website and it's not there, it makes sense to put a contact form right on that page to say, it's pretty much saying, hey, we don't have that content right now, but why don't you contact us and we'll be able to help you find what you're looking for. The Beaver Builder plugin has a contact form module, so I'll just drag it into there. And I'll just put a demo email address. Maybe add some styling. Give it a beautiful background color. Maybe make the font a little bigger. And there we go. So someone types in something or clicks a link that doesn't exist on your website and goes here. And then it says, oops, sorry, we could not find that. And then you might say, please use the form below so we can better help you find what you're looking for. And part of this is you could connect this up to something, say, using a different module. So the subscribe form module, something like that. You could hook this up to a CRM. And then you would capture that lead's details. And when you have someone's details, that's when you can start doing the things that you need to do by giving them the services that are really going to help them. So that's just one tip. 404 page, if someone's trying to find something and they can't find what they're looking for, why not give them a form right on that page so you can better help them find what they're looking for. And also you get to capture their details, which everyone knows growing a list is the most important thing that you can do right now. Okay, and then I'm just going to add a quick background image just to make it a little bit more interesting. Pat it out a bit. We'll choose a background photo. So I'm just going to select this guy holding a camera, select the photo, click save, and we'll click done and publish. And there it is. So that's the page that people are going to see once they type in something on our website that they're looking for, or they click a link and it's not found on our website. And again, using Beaver Builder straight out of the box, that is responsive. Okay, so there's our Beaver Builder template. Now we need to insert that into our 404.php template. So let's go back to our cPanel. And this is our, I'll just go upper level so you guys can see. So in our WordPress install inside the themes folder, there's our parent theme and our child theme. Let's click on our Beaver Builder child theme. And there's a 404.php file we copied in earlier. So again, let's edit that. So code and edit. And the way that we're going to insert this Beaver Builder template we just built is using the Beaver Builder shortcode. Now, if you're not familiar, I'll just show you how to find it. I always just go to Google, and I'm going to put this on my website actually and link to it. But go to Google and just type in Beaver Builder shortcode. And it's this first link here. So let's click on that. And this will take you to the Beaver Builder's core development team's documentation. And you can see here, we're just going to use this shortcode. So we're going to add it using the slug. And in case that doesn't make sense, I'll show you guys what I mean by that. So don't be overwhelmed. Let's go back to the 404.php file in our child theme. And then get header and get footer. We're going to replace everything inside there with our own code. And I'm going to put this in the blog post below. So you can copy and paste it, and all you have to do is do one step, which I'm going to show you right now. So we're going to start our PHP code, and we're going to echo. Again, you can copy and paste this, so you don't need to write this from scratch. All you need to be concerned with is copying my code in the blog post below and changing this value here, the slug equals. To find your slug, go back to the page you built in Beaver Builder, and you'll notice in the URL it says FL, so say your domain name, /FL-builder-template, /, and this is your slug here. Or another way to do it is go back, so edit the template, so the Beaver Builder template, and you'll see here permalink. If you click edit, this is your slug here. So let's just copy that, and we'll go back to the file we're editing, and we'll replace slug equals. So that's the example one from the documentation. We'll put in our own and click Save Changes. Now let's go back. So this is the default one that we saw before after we copied it from the Beaver Builder parent theme. And let's just refresh the page. And there it is. And again, that is mobile friendly. Now, one thing to keep in mind, because it is a theme template file, you'll notice that there's no page builder menu up here to edit that. So anytime you want to edit it, just go back to your dashboard and then click on all templates. And then from there, just like any other template or any other post or page in your website, just click on it and then launch the page builder. That'll take you back to the Beaver Builder editor with it initialized for this 404 page. And just say we change this title from oops to 404 not found. Click save. Done, and publish these changes in Beaver Builder. And then let's go back to our actual 404 not found page. And if we refresh the page, you'll see that because we've updated that template, our 404.php, which is inserting our 404 error page, will load, and that title's changed. So that's just something to keep in mind, that you can't edit the 404.php file because it is a template file. You actually have to go through the WordPress dashboard and then edit the template itself. So there you have it. You can do this. I mean, this is a bit of a longer tutorial than it needs to be. Once you get in the rhythm and you do this once or twice, I guarantee that once you know what to put on the page and you have some ideas, you'll be able to get one of these up in, say, 5 minutes. Because it's literally copy and paste a 404.php file from the parent theme to your child theme, create the Beaver Builder template, and then edit that 404.php file and insert that template using the shortcode. And that's all there is to it. It's literally that simple, and it's for anyone. You don't have to know PHP to be able to do this. If I could give you any advice from this, is read the bottom of this blog post for different ideas of what you can put on your 404 error page, because for something that people make so simple with just a sorry cannot be found in a search form, you can really use that to your advantage by capturing lead details into your CRM and wording it, the tone of it, making it so it is lighthearted, or appropriating what people expect to see when they get an error page into something that is a bit more fun and keeps them browsing your website, so they see more of your content and you have more of a chance to sell them on what you're selling. There you have it, a 404 page you can edit using the drag and drop capabilities of the incredible Beaver Builder page builder plugin for WordPress. If you have any questions, as always, you can get me on my contact form or on the live chat on my website, BeyondBeaver.com. And we're very active on social media. If you haven't followed us on YouTube or Facebook or Twitter, get on all three. We're on there every day, and just reach out and say hi. And we're always taking new requests for tutorials. If you have one, just jump onto our contact form and just let us know what you'd like to learn, and we'll put out a video for you. I'll stop the video there. Lots to learn, lots of videos coming out this week. Speak to you soon.